Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block specific products to certain states or provinces in Shopify. There are many ways to block specific products. In this video, we will show you how to block one or more products using product tags. Here we can see that a restricted tag has been added to the Snow Bear product. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the product tags condition. So first, we'll search for products tags in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. For this video, we will choose the essential one. Select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Product Tags. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we choose If Found and enter the product tags we want. Here we add the tag Restricted. Next, we add another condition, Province Code. We select If Found, and here we will set the province codes for New York and New Jersey as NY and NJ. This means any product with the restricted tag and an order from New York and New Jersey province will be blocked from checkout. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Checkout isn't available for this product in your location. Please contact support for help." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now we'll go to the shipping address and change the province and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!